Welcome. Let's look at this JAMB past questions biology 2018 question number 26. A distinguishing feature of mammals is the possession of A. Skin, B. Scale, C. Nail, D. Hair. So what is that characteristics that mammals have that other organisms don't have? Now, for us to be able to understand this quite well, we need to look at the characteristics of mammals. The characteristics of mammals. What are those features that mammals have? It actually includes the hair, one. Number two, mammals are warm-blooded. Mammals are warm-blooded, unlike the amphibians and reptiles that are cold-blooded. Number three, mammals have skin, and their skin has sweat and sebaceous glands. You know about this, the sweat and sebaceous gland. So that is another characteristic of mammals. Then number four, there is possession of different types of teeth. Mammals possess different types of teeth. The dentition, very very important. Possession of different types. Please, this is teeth. Possession of different types of teeth, which each carrying out a specific function. Then finally, we have that mammals possess external ears called pinna. Possession of external ears. So these are all features of mammal, but which of them that is they have that other animals don't have? You're going to find out that is the hair. Some animals have fur, but you look at the hair, the mammals have hair. The type of hair that you see on mammal, like human beings and monkeys, you see that is very different from what you can see in every other organism. So the right option here is D. You can see other organisms having nail, you can see others having scale. Mammal and most organisms have skin, but you see this here is a distinguishing feature of mammals. The position of this hair is a distinguishing feature of mammals, and that makes option D the correct answer. Thank you.